Oscar, hey bud, if today's video gets 112,417 likes, in my very next video, I will reveal my new supercar. It's currently on a truck on its way to Utah from Albuquerque, New Mexico. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. Boys, the new supercar. This is such an unexpected sequence in the vlog. A week ago, I had no idea I was going to be buying one of these cars, but the opportunity presented itself. I'm getting such a good deal. This is such a childhood dream come true. I have been talking on and on and on and on about getting this car. The last time I was this excited was the day I picked up the Aventador about a year ago. Anyways, we got a bunch to do in today's video. The Gallardo update on the Gallardo, and then also I'm headed off to court in the Aventador because I'm on trial. I haven't driven this car in like 8 days. Whoa. We have reached the emotional part of the vlog. We are dropping off the Aventador here at Makes and Models. We're getting the winter tires remounted on the Aventador. Unfortunately, Pirelli, Michelin, none of the major tire manufacturers make winter tires big enough to fit the white Brixton Forged wheels. And so if you hate the white wheels, this is your moment. Seize the moment. We are remounting the OEM black wheels on the Aventador. So I suppose if I could get like a unanimous glee of excitement. Are we done yet? Are you kidding me? The white wheels will be back on the Aventador in the spring. I promise, I promise. I repeat, I did not sell the Gallardo, but check this out. We got the OEM wheels back on the Gallardo too, and that's because we are taking a winter road trip in the Gallardo to the beautiful state of Illinois. Enjoy one last few of those white wheels, because the next time you see the Aventador, they're gonna be black. Also, the black wheels on that LP560 look amazing. All right, we are headed home. Hit it. I don't know how to say this, but the Gallardo door, it squeaks. Are you kidding me? The Aventador door squeaks, the Gallardo door squeaks, even the door from the house to the garage squeaks. Also, the wheels just look so fresh. All of this nonsense needs to be cleaned out of the way. The Gallardo park's right there. So. Are you kidding me? How is this happening? I didn't realize, but I kind of sort of snaked you guys. My trial is actually tomorrow. Today is today, so I will see you guys tomorrow. So we're gonna fast forward approximately 20 hours right now. I'll see you tomorrow. And we're back. That was probably a bad idea. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's a bad idea. Okay, I'm tapping out. Dude, Luke. I'll see ya. Jeez. That was so good. Oh, we're gonna get into trouble today, boys. I can assure you of that. I cannot hear myself talk. This is not very graceful, but this is the second time I've driven the 430 Challenge car. My heart rate is already spiking. I gotta figure out how to put on my 4-point harness, so bear with me momentarily. We've done all of our safety checks real quick. The goal is to not go to jail today. That's the only goal. I still have my trial later on. Yeah, anyway. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we need to go get fuel because there's no fuel gauge, and the last thing we want to do is run out of gas. Originally, I didn't think the 430 Challenge had a speedo, but actually there in the bottom right is the speedometer. I think it's in kilometers an hour, so I still have to do sort of like, you know, some analysis, but jeez. Oh my gosh, it is cold out right now. The tires are cold. There is no traction whatsoever. This car is physically and emotionally draining. My ears are ringing like crazy right now. My heart rate is spiked through the roof. This car is so deafeningly loud, and we're like 4,000 RPMs. It redlines at 8,500. Yes, 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 yes. Turn ignition off, main power off. I have the absolute worst headache right now, and also, well, the door was squeaking, now it's not. Pop this off like so. Yes. The fuel cell in the 430 Challenge is 30 gallons. There's no fuel gauge whatsoever. Obviously, we don't want to overfill it. We're just gonna put like about 5 gallons in, and yes, we're gonna use 91 octane. 100 octane would be better, sure, but the 430 Challenge is totally fine on 91. I really have to force the nozzle in there. Obviously, I don't want to overfill and we don't want any spillage. I'm getting way too old for this. Oh my gosh, my back still hurts from the backflip. Okay, we have an A90 Super right there. Whoa. We're really not going that fast. I'm not even being sarcastic. It just sounds like we're going 1,000,000 miles an hour because the car is so loud. We cannot get any traction. All I'm gonna say, kids, is shield your eyes. This could get a little bit graphic. Most likely my channel will be demonetized.
You got those chalk blocks.
Oh, you're fine. All I hear is a bunch of whining and complaining from the man who fired me. Blah, 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 blah. Okay.
If we could go back to that moment.
What would you do?
I would, oh, jeez. I'd make it a lot more painful for you than it was.
I lost my job.
Yeah.
How much more painful would you have made it?
I feel like I consoled you through that difficult time, and
He did actually provide some counseling to me. It was a rough moment in my life. Yeah. I did survive.
I think I also provided you a place to live. I said, you're fired, but if you need somewhere to live.
That's true.
I maybe would redact that now.
You got my rent check yesterday, right?
Finally, yeah, 2 days late. Jeez.
Dude, there's a 7-day grace period. If the car starts rolling, hit the brake, because I got to grab this chalk right here. You got it?
Yeah, sure.
There we go. Look at that. Oh, easy peasy.
All right.
Nice.
Oh, jeez. Pulled something. Ah, pulled it good.
We're gonna try to keep our RPMs very, very low. That guy got pulled outside the Ferrari dealership, but we're good, we're good. We're good. The car is so loud, like we are going with the flow of traffic, but it feels and sounds like you're going 1,000,000 miles an hour, even though we're not.
It's true.
Yeah, baby! Woo! He's acting like that because deep down inside, he's crying like a little girl.
No, it's because of the fumes that I'm just like inhaling right now.
It's true, the fumes are strong, boys. We're gonna be okay though, I think. We're headed to the most prestigious valet in the state of Utah. Luckily, it's not that crowded right now because you're gonna be crawling out of the car.
Yep.
But, kids, shield your eyes. It could, like I said, yeah, it was graphic earlier and now it's gonna be more graphic. You good? Oh gosh. Sorry, yeah, sorry.
Oh, it's better on take 2.
It was better.
That was quite smooth.
All right.
Well, my notebook.
Yeah. Have a good rest of your day.
Later.
See ya. Okay, I gotta return this back to makes and models because I am gonna get in a lot of trouble. We lived just barely. Also on cue, the Aventador is done. So, ignition, off. I am emotionally wrecked. I am physically exhausted. We lived. Of all the cars I own, I can't decide if the 430 Challenge is my favorite or if I hate it the most. It is such an adrenaline rush. It is so exhilarating to drive that car, but at the same time, it is just emotionally exhausting. Okay, so we're gonna hop in the Aventador. We gotta get to court because I got trial. It is such an absolute monster. What a beast. Okay, so we are headed to the courthouse in Midvale. Yeah. I can see the comments now. You're not wrong. The black wheels look amazing. The Aventador has this whole new, like, sinister look to it. But don't worry, the white bricks and forged wheels will be going back on the car come the springtime. We got the winter tires mounted on the Aventador, which means winter shenanigans are coming to a vlog near you. Now, yes, I did go to trial. I did go to court. Obviously, I can't film at court, so I'm just gonna give you guys the quick synopsis. A month ago, I got the speeding ticket in the Aventador, 86 miles per hour in a 70 zone. Now, I'm guilty, 100% guilty, but the law allows for a bit of forgiveness. Yes, forgiveness. In the state of Utah, you can do a plea of abeyance. Now, my main goal is to just get the ticket removed from my record, and to do that, the plea of abeyance allows for that. So I still have to pay the speeding ticket, which is like 200 bucks, and then I have to go to traffic school for 2 hours, and that's like 50 bucks. But the real kicker is between now and the next 60 days, I cannot, under any circumstance whatsoever, get another speeding ticket or any kind of infraction. If I do, the Aventador ticket will also go on my record. So between now and the next 60 days, I gotta be on my best behavior. We gotta keep it under 55, which means I cannot, under any circumstance, drive the Aventador for the next 2 months. Same goes for the Supra, same goes for the Gallardo, and the Focus, and the Gladiator, and the new car, and the 430 Challenge car. So basically, however, there's a bit of a caveat. If I get an infraction out of the state of Utah, it doesn't affect me. It's only in the state of Utah. So on that bombshell, I'm leaving for the next 2 months. Anyways, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.